Greetings. In this quick video, I want to show you how to change the windshield wiper fluid on any Chevy Malibu. This particular one is a 2012 Chevy Malibu, but I don't care what one you have. It's pretty simple to do. So on the one from 2008 through 12, they're usually located right here on the corner, and you're going to look for this logo. It's going to look like a windshield wiper with things sprouting out. Now sometimes they're located up here, sometimes they're on the side, but just look for that logo, and the only thing you have to do is just simply pop it out and pour your fluid. Now I'm in the north, so we are using the de-icer pressed on windshield wiper fluid. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get this off of Amazon, and that way it won't freeze over. It usually doesn't anyway. You can use a little funnel here. Let's go ahead and dump our fluid in. And you don't really have to worry about it overfilling, just for the fact that it's practically water. So you're not going to hurt anything if it spills over a little bit. Now let's see if we're more. Anyways, you get the picture. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a good one.